Ajay Devgan's upcoming film Chauhan, slated for an October 2027 release, has found itself at the center of a controversy soon after its title announcement and teaser were unveiled. What was meant to introduce the film has instead sparked a political and social debate. National Conference MP Aga Syed Ruhullah Mehendi has criticized the film's teaser, alleging that it trivializes the pain endured by Kashmiris during years of conflict, particularly the use of tear gas and pellet guns. In a post on X, Mehendi said, Kashmiris know that the human cost of the conflict goes far beyond official statistics, and also argued that mainstream cinema has repeatedly failed to portray the region's realities with honesty. The controversy surrounding Chauhan has now widened beyond political circles. The Kshatriya Parishad has also objected to the film, accusing it of dragging the Chauhan clan's legacy into present-day communal politics. In a strongly worded statement, the organization says history of the Chauhan dynasty should not be used to serve contemporary political narratives.
देखिए, पत्थरबाजी और पैलेट गन में बहुत अंतर है। पत्थर से लोगों की जान भी चली गई है, पैलेट से जान नहीं गई। और पैलेट गन किन पे चलता है? जो कानून को हाथ में लेते हैं। कानून को हाथ में जो नहीं लेगा उस पे नहीं चलता है। लेकिन पत्थरबाजी तो पैसा देके पत्थर फेंकवाए जाते थे।
I think it is very unfortunate the kind of language and the kind of words that have been used in the teaser are offensive. They are offensive to Kashmiris and they are offensive to all those victims of pellets. And I can give you multiple cases where pellets have resulted not only in permanent blindness, but some people have even lost their lives because of pellets. So demeaning this tragedy just for your financial gains, they should immediately take it down, and the producers and those who have researched on this film, I think they need to go back and they need to study what the facts are.
We have both Rucha and Shreya, my colleagues, who are getting us more details on that. Let's first go across to Rucha. There's a political war of words that has broken out as well, Rucha, over this entire teaser.
Well, that is right, because the issues of Kashmiris have always been a sensitive issue for several years. But here, the controversy is about the name Chauhan, the character that Ajay Devgan plays in this movie, which, according to teaser, where he says a dialogue where he says, Pathano ko kaho Chauhan aaya hai. That is where the Kshatriya Parishad has taken objection about, that they are saying that you cannot use our Kshatriya clan's name or our Rajput clan's name just to get benefit, some political or economic benefit, or for weaponizing a community. Our community's name cannot be used, and that is the objection that they are facing, because Ajay Devgan's films have always been blockbusters. It may be Singham or any other film of his, they reach masses, and the Kshatriya Parishad is saying that because it influences lots of people, it portrays wrong image of our community, and that is not how the Chauhan history should be told, and that is why they have taken objection. Talking about the director, producer and Ajay Devgan itself, they have taken a strong stand that we do not support this kind of film, and that should be changed. Now, considering the controversy, considering the criticism that the film is receiving, it is important to see whether there will be any change made, because the teaser shows how tear gas. That's
going to be important to track. Let me go across to Shreya. Not the first time that a movie, for its teaser or content or dialogue or song, is in the center of the controversy. This time around, it's Ajay Devgan's film.
Exactly. I mean, we've seen this happen with Padmavat, we've seen this happen with Jodha Akbar, we've seen this happen with Pathan. So in all these cases, although the issue was more the historical accuracy, here, this is one of the few cases where it is the term Chauhan which is at the epicenter of all the debate. So the thing is, with Padmavat, eventually the Supreme Court got dragged into it, but it remains to be seen what will actually happen on ground and whether this would escalate to that scale.
All right, we'll keep on tracking those developments. Rucha and Shreya, thank you very much for getting us the details.